My name is Danny, and I'll be the music teacher for... Introduce yourself.
I'm Ronan, and I'm 10 years old.
Okay. And what instrument do you want to play?
The drums.
The drums. Okay. And now the eldest.
I'm Sophia, I'm 12, and I want to learn how to play the piano.
The piano. Okay.
I'm Cora, and I'm 8 years old, and I want to play the piano.
Perfect. Let's make the rhythm first, which is 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Not too loud, alright? There you go. You have to make that perfect, alright? This is what you're going to do. Okay, I'll turn first. Okay, this is your left hand will do 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is 1, your left hand. Your right hand is, the thumb is 2, the index is 3, and then 4, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, rest. 1, index, and thumb, 2, 3, 4. Okay, okay, that's why counting 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you okay with that? All right, now you can do that. All right.
1, 2, 3, 4.
I sing praises